Today's free workout is all about knee health, especially the soft tissues around the knees and the musculature that supports it. If you're dealing with any kinds of knee issues when you're coming into this workout today, I want you to do everything through pain-free ranges of motion, no more, no less. If you don't know what those are, I have a video for you right here that you can check out so you do this safely. Today's workout is going to be 4 rounds all done nasal breathing. That means you're going to keep the intensity fairly low, but I want you to glow, not drip sweat. The idea is we're going to be building strength in the knees in all 3 types of contractions: concentric, eccentric, and isometric. We're going to do some flushing in between to make sure we get good blood flow, and we're going to go back and we're going to keep doing the exercises in 4 sequential rotations. First, we're going to do some kneel ups, then we're going to do some balance work with some forward and backward kicks. Then we're going to be doing some air squats, and we're going to follow all of that up with single leg depth drops. When we're done with the depth drops, we're going to hit 1 minute of monostructural cardio. What that means is get your heart rate up however you would like, but stay within nasal, and then we're going to come back to the top and do it all over again for 4 rounds. Our first exercise is a kneel up. We're going to start in a tall kneeling position. We're going to lower on a 1, 2, 3 count, sit to the heels, and then 1, 2, 3, back up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do this for 10 reps. You might hear some popping and cracking when you do this exercise. As long as you're not experiencing discomfort that's associated with it, I'm not so worried about it. If you're concerned, by all means, feel free to leave it out. But just know, I'm not worried about it. The reason we're doing this exercise is it's building resiliency, especially in the supra and infrapatellar tendons. Those are the tendons that connect the quads to the kneecaps and the kneecaps to the tibialis anterior, the muscle that moves the front of the leg. So nice and gentle down, and then nice and gentle right back up. A forward backward kick is pretty simple. We're going to stand on one leg, and then we're going to just go kick forward, kick backwards, kick forwards, kick backwards, kick forwards, kick backwards. You can go as high and as, whoa! You can go, I'm trying to show off for you. If I keep it low, it should be fairly easy. I'm going to feel it in my foot. I'm going to feel it in my knee. I'm tipping over. It's not that easy. It's a fairly hard exercise. The goal here is we're building balance and stability in the knee that's planted to the ground. The other knee is just changing the position of our body so that we have to react to it in real time with the down foot. Do it on both legs for 10 reps. Forward, backward is 1. The next exercise is an air squat. We're going to again go with a 3 down, 3 up tempo. So 1, 2, 3 to the bottom, 1, 2, 3 to the top. We're not racing on these. Everything is going to be through the nose breathing. That's going to cap the intensity that we can go through. I want you to do 10 air squats, 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up. The value of the air squat, especially in this sequence, is that we're now starting to load the knees in a compound way. So we're not doing just the knees anymore. We're not doing isometric balance of just the knee anymore. We're now starting to incorporate the knees into a full motion that they would be asked to do every single day. Our next and last exercise before we get to the cardio is a single leg depth drop. We're going to stand on a box. It's up to 12 inches tall. You can do this off your bottom step in your house if you'd like. From here, we're just going to drop straight off and land in a soft knee position. We're going to come back on, and we're going to do it again. We're going to do 5 reps on the right, then we're going to do 5 reps on the left. The value of a depth drop is that it forces you to train deceleration. That's slowing down. Oftentimes we get really good at speeding up because we're used to lifting weights, we're used to sprinting, we're used to doing all of the things that require hard work, and we forget that the brakes are critical. This is a great way to train the brakes. After you're done with all 4 of those exercises, I want you to pick a cardio of your choice. I really don't care what it is. You're going to do something for 1 minute that elevates your heart rate while maintaining a nasal breathing pace the entire time. The purpose of this is just for you to start to get some better blood flow through your entire body because today's workout is very knee-centric. So I want you to get full body flushing while we go through it. That can be on a bike, it can be on a rower, it can be on a skier, you can go for a light jog, you could even do some really slow burpees. Whatever you want to do to get your heart rate elevated for 1 minute, that's what I want you to do. Remember, breathe through your nose. This workout should take you less than 15 minutes if you do it properly. It's all about the knees today. Knees are an area that gets overlooked because what are we supposed to do to mobilize a knee, right? All they do is flex and extend. Well, it's not always about mobilization. Oftentimes it's about motor control, it's about position, it's about strength, and it's about time under tension. We're loading all of those in today's free workout. If something's bothering you and you want us to make a video about it, head to the comment section, tell me what it is. Remember, if you're a subscriber, higher chance I choose yours. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and like this video.